entrance to Hollywood Studios is still under construction, but you can see the wire for the new gondola system that's going to bring us around. Now we're to the normal part of the entrance with the Mickey Sorcerer's Apprentice and the brooms. We'll go find our way inside. Nice sunshine. First thing, coffee. So still here in December of 2018, it's hard to get a fast pass for the Slinky Dog Dash, but Toy Story Land is new here in Hollywood Studios. It's currently a 70-minute wait. Gonna try it out.
Well, pull my string of lights. The holidays are here and we're still decorating.
Careful, she's gonna jiggle all the way.
While we're waiting, I got Homer's pink donut to consume. It's all about sugar today. Want some? Too bad. Don't. Good new ride at Disney. Very fun. It's not just a kid's roller coaster, although it's slow. It's a lot of fun. Way to go, Disney. Also, you might remember from last year, I didn't get all the fast passes I wanted to. Lots of rides were closed. There were only 3 operating rides last year. I got a fast pass for Tower of Terror. My first time going on that ride. So again, I'll bring the GoPro.
You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. The Twilight Zone.
a bad little ride, although it is time for lunch. Maybe not very good planning. Let's go find lunch. Oh, and look, there's water this year in the lake and a Christmas tree. The Sci-Fi Dine-In.
The hat that we have
Got seated during a movie. Tom and Jerry. It's Star Tours time.
Yeah, touch the head. Ah, perfect.
Well, that's one tour they can keep. I totally agree, Arthur. Besides, I'm perfectly content right here with you.
Oh, I've seen you before.
Sure.
Good to see you again.
By the way, Star Tours is a 3D ride and no videography allowed in there, but it's a new scene from the last time I was here with the newer Star Wars movies, so it's still worth checking out even if you've already seen Star Tours. Time for another ride that I've never ridden here at Hollywood Studios, the Rockin' Roller Coaster. Let's go check it out. The intro here is a track that leads to a guitar. How cool is that? Yeah, it's a dark coaster and it's a really fast coaster. I'll see what I can share with you though.
No, I would look it over there.
Easy. Welcome to
All right, Aerosmith is taking the stage. Whoa, check out Steven Tyler's hat.
All right, that was a dark coaster. Obviously, don't know if my GoPro footage will even show up, but that's a pretty epic little coaster. A couple loop-de-loos, upside downs, really fast. To me, it doesn't have that Disney feel. You know, it just feels a little out of place. It's a real coaster, but I'm really glad they have it. There's lots of fun. There's the Tower of Terror up there. So, what's next? Go find out. Gonna give my dogs a break and watch a show.
Every morning just the same since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning, Bill.
Good morning, Mr.
And now that I'm grown, I eat 5,000 eggs. Time roughly it has size. Overboard! And now, we invite you to relax, pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
10 years we've been rusting, needing so much more than dusting, needing exercise, a chance to use our skills.
Back in Toy Story Land, Toy Story Mania.
You know my wife, Mrs. Potato Head. I've got a joke for you. Why does Woody wear spurs on his boots? Because they look pretty silly on his head. Tough crowd. I heard that, you hockey puck. Step right up and I'll guess your weight. How about you, sir? I'm gonna guess your weight. I'd say your weight is about 15 to 25 minutes tops. Thank you, thank you.
Yep, going into Andy's room. So since it's a 3D ride and it's a game, I'm gonna turn this off and enjoy it. I'll let you know how it goes after the ride. That was a really fun game. It does take 2 hands to play. A lot of fun though. I'm surprised. And now night is upon us in Toy Story Land. Look at this. Slinky. Sorry, my battery died there in Toy Story Land. I wanted to get some of those Christmas lights, but it is time to check in for our dessert party, Jingle Bell Jingle Jam.
We moved
is really neat. It's a guaranteed spot for the show later, but also it's a dessert party here with assigned seating, but also I'm going to share a table with some other people here later. And I'm table 30. I got ice cream and fondue and cookies, chocolate, and most importantly of all, unlimited alcohol for an hour. Yeah.
We welcome you to a Hollywood that never was and always will be. Disney's Hollywood Studios presents Disney Movie Magic.
Well, your host, Walt Disney. How long is it since you had a world premiere? Well, of course, the big important premiere was Snow White, but we had a couple after that.
Which is the favorite of all the pictures that we've made? Well, it's the one that you're going to see right now.
Trust me. Start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner. You're in one.